second quarter, week 7 lesson. And the title is Finding the Distance Between 2 Points in the Cartesian Plane Using the Distance Formula. Sa video na to, i-discuss ko yung derivation ng formula, and upon the derivation, we're going to use that formula to determine the distance between the 2 points plotted in the Cartesian plane. Now we have here a graphing paper, and from here we're going to prepare the coordinate axis. As we all know, the vertical axis or the vertical line that you see right now is our y-axis, and the horizontal line intersecting the vertical line is our x-axis. Okay. Again, this line right here is our y-axis, and this horizontal line is our x-axis. Now, in this coordinate plane, let us plot the 2 points. This one right here, let us name this as point A. And we plot another point, and we name this point here as point B. And we connect these 2 points by a segment to denote the length of this segment, whose endpoints are point A and point A. And this length represents the distance D. And then going back to each of these 2 points, for point A, since this is plotted in the Cartesian plane, it has a corresponding pair of coordinates, the x and the y coordinate, or the abscissa for the x coordinate and the ordinate for the y coordinate. Now let's just say that point A is indicated by a pair of coordinates x sub 1 and y sub 1. While point B, which has also a corresponding coordinates, has this pair of x and abscissa and ordinate, x sub 2, y sub 2. Then let us project 2 more details to this figure in the Cartesian plane. Now suppose we project a line segment drawn from point B up to this point. And from point A, we also draw a segment from here going to this point. Yeah. And let us name this point as C. Now, since we have already connected the segment from B to C, we do the same thing from A to C. And as a result, nakabuo tayo ng isang triangle. Hindi lang basta triangle, kundi isang right triangle. So if this is a right triangle, itong segment na nabuo natin connecting point A and point B, in terms of the right triangle, is the hypotenuse. And these 2 projected line segments are the legs. So, if the longest side is denoted by small letter D, ano ang katumbas nitong horizontal side na ang pangalan ay segment AC? Well, actually, if we're going to observe their coordinates, segment AC is represented by its equivalent value, which is actually the change in the x coordinate, and that is x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now, pagdating naman sa vertical leg or the vertical side of this right triangle, whose name is segment BC, its equivalent value is actually the change in y coordinate. So that is y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Now, since we have already determined the length of each side, we can therefore apply the Pythagorean theorem here. At ang alam natin, kapag Pythagorean theorem, it states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides in a right triangle. And with that statement, we can formulate the equation. That is AB squared, or the square of the hypotenuse, is equal to AC squared, the square of one leg, plus the square of the other leg, which is the square of segment BC. Okay. And from this setup equation, we substitute the equivalent length of each side. So for segment AB, that can be replaced by D. So on the left side, that is D squared, which is equal to the value of AC, which is x sub 2 minus x sub 1, quantity squared, plus the value of BC from BC squared. So that is quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay. And from this setup equation, we simply get the square root of both sides in order to solve for D from this formula. Yeah, getting the square root of both sides. So we have this formula, D equals the square root of the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. And from this point, we have just derived the distance formula, this one. Okay. Now, this is the distance formula. And we use this formula to determine the distance between the 2 points plotted in the Cartesian plane. Now, for our example, let us consider this problem. Find the distance between the 2 points A and B. If A is at coordinates -4, 7, and point B is at the coordinates -2 and 7. For our solution, we use the distance formula. So, for point A, we denote the first pair of coordinates as x sub 1, y sub 1, while point B, we let -2 and 7 as x sub 2, y sub 2. Yeah, okay? And we're going to plug in these coordinates to the distance formula, which is this one. The distance between point A and point B, which is equal to this value that we have just derived from the previous slide. And we substitute the coordinates to this formula. So the resulting expression on the right side would be the square root of the quantity -2 minus x sub 1, which is -4 quantity squared, plus the quantity y sub 2, which is 7, minus y sub 1, which is 7 quantity squared. And you will notice that in the second term, 7 minus itself will result to 0. So, bali, itong term na to, mawawala na. Ang matitira na lang ito, no? Yung quantity -2 minus negative 4. And as we all know, in the rule of subtraction, we just mentally change the sign of the subtrahend. So if it is negative 4, it is now positive 4. But when it comes to the operation from subtraction, it will now become addition.
Kumain ka na?
Opo. So, on the next line of solution, so it is now the square root of the quantity, negative 2 plus 4 squared. And negative 2 plus 4 is actually 2, so it is now square root of 4. Because this will become 2 squared, we know that 2 squared is 4, and from here, square root of 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, the distance between points A and B is actually equal to 2 units.